Don't be impressed about how amazing I look right now. Wet hair, don't care, black tank top, cat hair. That is my poem. Alright, I'm gonna throw some makeup on. I've got some stuff to do, and I'm not probably gonna like chit chat a whole lot because I've done a lot of these chitty chat, kind of get ready with me videos, and I don't know how much you guys want to see this stuff, but I'm going to use mainly Seint makeup today. I got it a week ago. I'm so impressed with it. I did not expect this, I have to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm using it today. When I tell you this foundation, like the foundation, they don't call it foundation. They have all these like special names like highlighter, like they call it, instead of concealer shade, it's like the highlight shade, and like what we would call highlight, I think they call illuminator. Yeah, they call it illuminator. So I got a bunch of their stuff and I wanted to try it out. I feel like they got a bad rap because, or people assumed things about them because they're an MLM. They were an MLM. Now they're just like affiliate marketing, like traditional affiliate stuff. You know, you work for a brand, you sell the stuff, but they're not trying to like recruit other people. And a friend of mine actually works with Seint, and whenever I'd watch her videos, her makeup always looked fantastic, so I was super interested in it. So I picked up a bunch of stuff from her, and it's, I gotta be honest, well, you'll see. So I got this. So this is like the skin stuff. You see, like I've been using it. It's a little messy. That's the one thing I will say about it. I keep trying to arrange it in a way I think is gonna work for me, but it's a little bit messy. So this is, you know, the skin tones that I have thus far. I have some more coming. These are kind of they do like lip and cheek tints. Some of them have different finishes though. Like these are like the more matte shades. These are like glossy. So you can use them on your lips and your cheeks. And then these are more lip and cheek, but these are more, for me, these are going to be more highlight shades and lip shades. I also got, you know, some eyeshadows here, some powder illuminators here. So when I tell you, I've been wearing it all week, every day at work. I'm not gonna wear primer. One thing I've found with this product, when I wear primer even underneath it, it doesn't even look as good as if you just put the product right on my skin. If I put the product right on my skin, you know, I've tried the Power Grip, I've tried the Professional, I've tried the Tatcha, I've tried the Jelly Pop, which is the same pretty much as the first e.l.f. primer I used, and I used the Embryo Lease primer. The green, the Power Grip from e.l.f. I felt like went the best with it. I liked it the best without anything, and I've been using my hands. Watch. Here, let me bring you guys in. This is the only time I'm really going to chat during this video. You use such a small amount, and like I said, I'm still kind of learning how to use this because I'm not like a cream foundation kind of girl, but when I tell you I blend it in like this, and it's like friggin' undetectable on my skin. Like, you get up close to the skin and you can't see. Like, it just looks like the shade of my skin has changed, and it doesn't, like, you can't see the product. Where the hell did it go? Like, it changed the shade of my skin. I'm telling you that it's really, I didn't expect it. I've watched my friend's video, like, she would do social media, and she put up videos of her putting this makeup on. I don't like the way brushes look, you know, on foundation application, so that's why I'm using my hands. And I wanted to get used to using the product before I started incorporating a beauty blender. I'm taking a lot of extra time to just make sure it's blended right, you know, because it's a new product. And I do this with all products that I get for the first time. Like, I like to give a fair shot to it. I'm not going to do the color corrector today. Kind of show you what it looks like without doing like all the extra. I don't know that I'm doing it like the way the makeup indicates, if that makes sense. They have a process on how to apply this makeup, and I'm not doing that. I'm doing it, you know, like dummy proof. Like, okay, it's makeup. I'm doing it how, like, logically you would apply it. Like, it's just ridiculous. I wish I could bring you guys close enough in so you could see that you can see how, let me see how close I can get you. Wait, I'm about as close. Wait, let's see. Look at this. makeup wear. I'm telling you. One thing I will say about this, I feel like the makeup fills in my pores. Like I'm adding it in and then it's like, it doesn't just sit on top of my skin, it like fills it in. Like my skin looks smoother. How is it even possible? I really don't feel like the need to have to be like super perfect today though, honestly. I'm not doing anything. I am going to go, of course, to Ulta, but I'm gonna go to Ulta because I'm gonna get the new cream cup since MAC changed their formula and to the Maximal, the satin. So I want to compare it with the old cream cup. I still have my cream cup. What do you think? All right, let's go to bronzer. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right. I feel like I want to use my little brush for this. Wait, let's see how we like that. Wait, I can use their brush. Wait, come on. Let me use their brush. Yeah, I got that brush. Yeah, I got that brush. I wish you guys could hear Simon right now crying. Simon does this for no freaking reason. Like, he's such a little baby. I don't like to put stuff down here so much because I don't like the color like being off, especially since I am pale. I think I've seen one of their people do this. Wait, I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's go to blush. Ah, they have this blush. Dude, these two blushes here, my style. This one though, watch. Blush shade, blush shade. My bruise is popping through. Okay, I gotta touch that up. It looks so healthy. I'm gonna put like the tiniest amount of this illuminator on, this one. There's a difference between oily and glowy, and I feel like this makeup makes me look really dewy and not, you know, glowy, not, you know, greasy. Every day that I wore it this week, I didn't have to touch it up with powder at all. And I didn't set the makeup with powder. I used their setting spray, which I'm about to do right now. One thing I will say, their setting spray is aggressive. Like, look at it. Like, woo, it is not a thin mist, so I hold it far really back. Like, I hold it back really far when I do it. It is aggressive. And then I just look at that. Whenever I have an itch, I feel like I'm just gonna go in and ruin my makeup because I have no self-control. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna put on makeup. Alright, I just finished off camera. I finished up off camera. I have this problem I wanted to tell you guys about. You know when MAC changed their formula, and when they changed the formula, they changed the shades a lot of lipsticks that I love. Cream Cup, Blankety, Creme de Nude. I'm very upset. But Blankety is the one that I'm the most upset about. So Blankety was always this pretty, do you see this nub? This is what I have. It was this cool tone pink. And now I did get the new Blankety. I like the new Blankety, but it's not Blankety now. They should just have freaking named it. It's like warm blanket, like cozy blanket. Because Blankety now, this is Blankety now. It's a little bit warm. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. Oh, thank God I have a backup. I have one backup of Blankety, thank God. But this is all I have left on the main lipstick that I have, and then I have one backup. I tried to get some other backups. I ordered them online from like off sites. Let's see if they come up real. Anyway, I want to do Blankety, but I think I want to do, because I'm kind of cool tone today, I'm going to stick with old Blankety. A lot of people don't love this lipstick. I love it. So, I love Blankety. And then I'm going to line my lips after that with Stone by MAC. It's a nice little shadow. Oh God, the lip combination is a whip. Oh, Stone and Blankety. I have to find something else that works. Okay. What do you think? Like, what am I going to a wedding or something? Oh my gosh. I put on a little half lash. I did the Kiss. Let me show you guys. I got these Kiss lashes. I mean, Kiss was like the only company that stuck with me with PR over the years. So they're the Impress ones. They go under the lashes. So I did a little half lash. so pretty. But I mean, full face of Seint, except for the lips. What do you think? And the lashes. Pretty, right? All right, I'm gonna get going. If I vlog, I vlog. I don't think that I am. So if this is it for us. I had a very successful trip out, just so you know. I did some food shopping. I shopped the sales. Very excited. I think I'm actually gonna make pasta for dinner tonight. Yeah, I haven't eaten yet today, and I think it's after 2 already. It's 2:05, so we've got the calories. Okay, and I got the new shades in Modesty and Cream Cup, which are some of my favorite MAC lipsticks. I wanted to compare and contrast the new shades versus the old shade, you know, the new formulas. So I did get those. I'm gonna put those over here. Gonna just slip them right into my drawer. And I did get a Laura Mercier blush. I keep looking for Chai and they never have it in store. And I checked all the Ultas by me, they don't have it. So I put it in my cart on the Ulta app. I got Rosé, which looked really pretty. Look at this shade. This would actually look good with what I'm wearing right now. Let's put a little on. Let's put a little tiny on. I like these blushes quite a bit, actually. I'm looking behind you guys. The formula, something about it, it's very nice. We don't want to go messing with perfection. I'm just kidding. I've never said anything like that. So the shade look like this. So I have the other shade that I really like, which is more of a kind of a peachy shade. I'm liking these blushes. I do want to get my hands on Chai though. This is Rosé, so I want to get Chai as well. But the next time I place an Ulta order, I'll get that. But the reason why I wanted to come on here, I wanted to tell you guys some crazy news. So last week I went on the hunt for old blankety. I have a tiny little nubbin which I showed you, and here is my one blankety left. This is my one blankety left. I went on a spiral when I found out that they changed the formula and the shade. So I called everywhere. I thought I had the solution. So MAC has something called Gone But Not Forgotten Department. There's a number you can call. I'm actually going to put it in the description for you guys. You can call this number, and if they have discontinued products on backstock, they can send them to you. So it's amazing. They told me they had a ton of blankety. A ton. So they were going to send me six of them. Okay? This was going to be life-changing for me, because never again would I have to worry about not being able to get my hands on my favorite lipstick, which is blankety, which I'm wearing now. Blankety lined with stone. Epic for me. They sent me an email. They don't have any. I'm very upset. So on my way home, I swung by Macy's. There was a MAC inside Macy's. I called them last week and they told me they do not have any blankety of the old formula. But I went there. Wait till you see this. Get this long receipt out of here. It's so embarrassing. So embarrassing. They had 6 of them. They had 6. So the lovely girl, I said, you don't happen to have any old formulation of blankety, do you? And she just says to me, yeah, I think I have a few. She opens the drawer and I see 6. Not only that, but they were on sale for 40% off. I paid $13 a lipstick. Or $13.80? $13.80. I paid $89 for a lifetime of happiness. I am so, guys, I am so happy to have this backstock. The fact that they changed this lipstick, just, it kills me. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have seen if they had any creme de nude also. But I was just so excited to have them. Yeah, so now here, let me take you guys off the desk and I'll show you what it looks like. Wait. That's my MAC drawer. I have a whole drawer filled with MAC lipsticks, and I have a couple of Charlotte Tilbury, 3 Christian Dior, and then a couple Fenty, but for the most part, that's all MAC. Hi, Sasha. I think Sasha's gonna come up and say hello. So that was my super good news. I am so excited. I can't tell you how I felt about them changing the shade to a warm shade. I mean, the warm shade is pretty. It's just not my blankety, you know what I mean? And I'm cool tone. I like a cool tone lip. All right, I'm getting hungry now, and I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for lunch, and dinner's coming up soon. I am like feeling my makeup today. My little dangly earrings, and my lipstick, and now I have so much blankety. I'll try not to use blankety in videos, guys. I promise I will try. It's hard for me though, especially like today. We're super smoky. Smoky looks with me. I really love a cool tone, light pink. I'm not like a beige kind of lipstick wearer. You know, like I really like some yellowy kind of lipsticks, but I don't have a ton. I think this one is one. Yeah, cream in your coffee? No, that one's purpley. Honey Love. Like here's a good, it's a good nude. It's a beige nude though. And it's almost too yellow for my skin. It doesn't jive with me. I always go towards the more pink mauve-y kind of shades. So, yeah, let's see how much we can vlog this weekend. I feel like I'm not going to be doing much else. I'm obsessed with the House Labs. I'm waiting for my delivery for my new foundation. You guys voted online. I did get the 040 Fair first, but the 070 Fair is coming through House Labs and the matching concealer. I like both shades. One's a little more yellow, so I feel like if I'm having a real red day, I can use that foundation. And then when I'm having like a calm day, I can use the regular shade. After I walked out of Macy's, I got on FaceTime and immediately called Nusha because she knows the drama that's been going on with this lipstick with me. And I called her, I was like, you are not even gonna believe where I am right now and what just happened. And I showed her the chunk and she was like, oh my God, you got it. Because when I found out about Gone and Not Forgotten, I was so excited that I was gonna be able to get the back lipsticks. And when they sent me that email that it's not coming through, I was so sad. So when they found them at Macy's, I was just like, I had to call her. This girl tolerates my nonsense so well. Okay, so time to go eat. Okay, goodbye.